I've recently transformed this old wooden shed, covering the exterior with Lux Lines composite cladding boards. However, the roof has had its day, so I've boarded over the top with a marine ply and now it needs waterproofing. Using 3C's Liquid Jacket, which is a liquid rubber membrane and is ready to use straight out of the bucket. It can be applied on with a roller, spatula or a brush. Liquid Jacket is a highly elastic, waterproof modified polymer sealer that's fast curing, fully waterproof almost instantly, forming an anti-slip membrane that retains its light colour grey. It's odourless and can be used internally or externally, both vertically and horizontally. I recently applied it to our office flat roof. I poured it out of the bag and spread it across this vast area using a roller and a pole. It can adhere to walls, floors, as well as many different substrates like concrete terraces, roof tiles and concrete bases. Furthermore, Liquid Jacket can also be applied to stone, masonry, wood, polystyrene foam, metal, plastic, EPDM, but always carry out a test with EPDM or other bitumen-based products. It can protect metal from rusting, wooden structures under the ground, as well as repairs on gutters and downspouts. If you want more inspiration and see videos like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel 3C Sealants.